Egypt continues to pursue its new aggressive policy of economic rapprochement with the rest of the continent. Though a COMESA member, Egypt's annual Africa trade stands at $3 billion. It is dwarfed by the $22 billion Africa trades with the much smaller United Arab Emirates. According to the UN, Africa hosts the fastest growing economies in the world. Egypt wants to tap such huge potential.
The three free trade blocks of East Africa are going to merge together in the coming weeks, couple of months, in order to create a huge free trade area going from the Mediterranean Sea until the Cape, a free trade area that would represent approximately 58–59% of total Africa's GDP, a free trade area constituted of 620 million consumers.
Egypt is the largest stakeholder in the Afreximbank, a $5 billion financial tool which promotes trade and investments between its 37 board member states. It received a batch of $500 million this week from 3 state-owned Egyptian banks.
The money will fund Egyptian businesses that are seeking to invest and trade in Africa. Egypt has the base to be a leader and earn the largest share of imports and exports with Africa. There will be more, but this first batch will mainly fund projects in the energy sector.
An Egyptian holding company was also established to further boost economic ties with its southern neighbors.
We are concentrating on Nile basin countries. The growth and potential there is huge. We have gone through this phase 10 years ago, and so we will offer them our expertise on how to prepare the suitable regulations and climate that will be attractive for foreign investments. Egypt will also invest heavily there, and that's why the 3 Egyptian banks established the company I represent.
The UNCTAD says Africa's trade with the rest of the world has increased from $235 billion in 1995 to $1.26 trillion in 2013. It's a huge market, and Egypt is working hard to ensure it becomes Africa's main economic gateway to the rest of the world. Yasser Hakim for CCTV, Cairo.